All right, let's take a look at activity 6 for lesson 3. If you notice, we have a new block. It's called ellipse, and it says you can use the ellipse to make a circle. And if we notice, we have a teal circle right here, and if we reset it and run it, it's a teal colored and it's at the 100, 100. I do want to point out one thing about the code block here. So you see the rectangle is X and Y locations, ellipse is the same. However, they do put them on the screen a little bit differently. So if you notice, the ellipse is in the center, 100, 100, X and Y locations. If I were to drag a rectangle out here just for a brief moment, and I hit 200, 200, which should place it right here, notice that it places it off the upper left-hand corner of the rectangle instead of in the center. Just something to consider when you're actually coding with these, is the rectangle places it in the upper left-hand corner, the ellipse places it in the middle of the ellipse when you ever use those. So I'll drag that off to the side there. And it says, what do we got to do here? It says, look at the code that makes the ellipse, add a new ellipse for a different color, of a different color. So if you notice, now it doesn't really tell us where to place this, but I think we're just going to place this at the 200, 200 location. So let's reset this. Now remember, with the fill color, if I drag an ellipse out here, and it keeps it 200, 200, it's going to paint this as teal, and it's going to become a teal color, which we don't want. We actually want, looks like an orange color or a yellowish color. So we're going to place a color over above it, and we'll just use yellow. And that should place that there. Okay. All right. So that's how you do that. I believe orange is one of the colors that's stored in here as well. Yeah, there's orange. Okay. So that's how you do that. Remember to place the fill color in here so that this ellipse that you place on here will be orange and not teal. Okay. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.